Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1.
Ride the train. Restrooms are provided on the vessels, on Alcatraz Island dock.
To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
You may depart the island on any vessel you wish. Departure times are posted throughout the island. Alcatraz Cruises vessels are required to depart on time. We regret we cannot open the boarding gate once it is closed. Thank you for listening to our boarding announcement and for following the rules and procedures during your visit to Alcatraz Island today. We will begin boarding shortly and need to check your tickets as you board. Please have your tickets in hand facing forward. If you're holding more than one ticket, please pass the tickets out to the other members of your party. Each visitor will need their own ticket when entering the boarding gate.
Welcome to episode 68. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. The announcements are complete, and now we're boarding the Alcatraz Clipper, the vessel that'll take us across the bay to Alcatraz Island. The Alcatraz Clipper is part of a fleet operated by Alcatraz City Cruises, a subsidiary of Hornblower Group, which has run official transport to the island since 2006 under contract with the National Park Service. The vessel is one of several high-efficiency ferries designed specifically for the short but heavy traffic route between Pier 33 and Alcatraz. Though the name Clipper recalls the elegant sailing ships that once crossed oceans, this modern vessel is built for reliability rather than speed. It's an aluminium-hulled catamaran, roughly 35 meters long, with twin diesel engines fitted with selective catalytic reduction systems to cut nitrogen oxide emissions. Its shallow draft allows it to dock easily at both the city pier and the island's narrow jetty, where tides can vary by more than 2 meters each day. Each ferry in this fleet carries about 600 passengers and makes dozens of crossings daily, moving nearly 1.5 million visitors a year. One of the highest frequency maritime operations on the US West Coast. Despite that volume, the company has shifted towards renewable practices. Shore power hookups at Pier 33 eliminate idling between trips, and onboard waste and water systems meet strict maritime protection standards. The Alcatraz Clipper itself entered service in the early 2010s, replacing older single-hull ferries that dated back to the 1970s. Its design follows international safety codes for passenger vessels, including double-engine redundancy and radar navigation calibrated for the bay's frequent fog. From the deck, you can see why these craft were purpose-built. A 15-minute crossing that demands precision rather than distance. In that short trip, they must handle tidal currents, shipping lanes, and the wake from ocean-bound container vessels while keeping a stable ride for hundreds of passengers. That concludes today's episode, a look at the Alcatraz Clipper, a modern workhorse connecting San Francisco with one of the most storied landmarks.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.